All right, this is the second of my concept project assignments from the lighting design class I teach. These assignments are intended to allow you to stretch your understanding of the elements of lighting design. The goal of this project is to scaffold on the first two elements of lighting design and to try out the third and fourth. So we've already used intensity and shadow, line and direction, and now we're going to use color and contrast, and texture and quality. You can, of course, read more at the links below in this lesson. The files you'll need can be accessed from the Up and Running with ETC EOS folder that you hopefully already downloaded. Otherwise, you can access it all from the link in this lesson. And in that folder, you'll find an assignment sheet providing you with a project task and an EOS file to utilize and to play and to experiment with. Okay, so starting with the assignment. As with the first concept project, it's nice to have a muse, a song, a piece of poetry, a photo, or perhaps a work of art, rather than just stabbing in the dark mindlessly and aimlessly. Let art inspire your art. In this case, I would encourage you towards something like a modern painting. They tend to be more colorful and a little bit more abstract, calling you towards bold looks and bold choices. In addition to color, I would encourage you to choose a light and add a gobo. This will help create visual interest. Not only can you add gobos, you can also adjust the edge of the light, changing the quality or the focus or how soft the light is. Okay. Once you open the file, begin by running macro 1 or pressing the letter M and then 1 and then enter on your keyboard. When you press M, you'll see this little red macro spot come up. If I press 1, it'll run macro 1, and once I hit enter, it'll run a series of preset actions. We'll talk about macros later. But this macro will reset the environment for this particular assignment. I've created this one to be almost identical to the last one in order to provide a little bit of familiarity. This way, everything is the same. The only new element is color, which is actually a pretty major piece of the puzzle. If you're feeling lost, I've added 3 cues to the file to help inspire you or to inform you. Cue 1 is a bold, colorful, cold look. Here we go. Cue 2 is a bold, kind of warm look. And cue 3 is a little bit more of a subtle, warm look. So go ahead and play around with these lights, see what I've already done, and see what you can create. So go and be creative.